Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all one of my favorite go-to recipes, and it's my husband's absolute favorite. Today we'll be making barbecue jerk bites. I'm using chicken. You can use any other type of protein that you would like. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is to make. We're going to start by seasoning chicken breast. You can also use chicken thigh if you want. I'm using boneless chicken breast. I'm going in with 1.5 teaspoons of complete seasoning and 3 teaspoons of jerk seasoning, which is also equivalent to 1 tablespoon. You're going to go ahead and give this a mix. Now you'll notice I didn't add any salt because the seasonings, they already contain salt. So once you give that a good mix, go ahead and set it aside. You can allow it to marinate up to an hour overnight. I'm going to be using it right away, and you're still going to lock in that flavor. To a pot, add in oil. I'm using avocado oil, and we're going to add in 1 large onion finely chopped and 4 pimento peppers finely chopped. You could also use 1 habanero and a mild pepper, whatever you have on hand. You could also omit the pepper and not make it spicy. So we're going to add some salt to season, and we're going to start allowing these aromatics to soften, get really tender. They're going to bring out a little bit of sweetness in the onion, and we're going to cook it just until the edges of the onion start to turn a light brown color. So once it starts to turn light brown, we'll go in with our seasoned meat. Add in your meat, and you would want your heat to be on a high if you're doing chicken breast like I am. If you're doing thigh, you can have your heat on a medium. And we're going to give this a mix. We want it to start searing, so that's why I have it on a high. So now allow it to cook for about 5 minutes, and then add in your jerk barbecue sauce. You have to put this makes this entire dish come together. So add in the sauce and mix that in. Now you're going to continue cooking this on high for a total of 12 minutes. You want to make sure that your pieces of chicken are cooked, but you don't want it to be overcooked. So you can check it once the sauce thickens and it looks like this and your meat is cooked. It's now ready to be served. How simple and amazing is this? Make sure and taste and adjust your salt. Today I'm serving it with peas and rice. I have the recipe for that coming up right after this video, and I made a quick salad to go on this side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It is a crowd pleaser. Everyone loves it. It's so easy to put together. It makes entertaining a breeze, and it's just simply delicious. So if you try it, comment down below, let me know what you think. Remember, you can use a different type of protein. You can even use shrimp if you wanted to, and fish pieces. So thank you all so much for joining me. Do remember to stay safe and look out for my rice and peas recipe that will be coming up really soon. Have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.